All right, had a call out for a Ford F150 crank no start. So first, crawled underneath where the fuel tank is located. Most of the time you can give it a good few whacks and it will actually engage the pump. In this case, no luck. So immediately got out the power probe and went under the hood, went to hook it up to his battery, and saw tons of corrosion all over the terminals. First things first, you need to clean up those terminals. That's what I did. Got them cleaned up really nicely so I could use my power probe properly, and from there I was able to confirm I had proper continuity going from battery to fuse box, etc. After checking all the fuses, went in, fired the truck right up. That was the issue, all fixed. See you next time.